Digital transformation and automation. We have all been hearing these words for the past couple of years, and they've proved to be the key to enhancing almost any operation or business, if done correctly. But not everyone can show you the right tool or plan to transform your business into a digitized world. Here are a few steps that will help better prepare you for the journey of digital transformation and automation. 1. Evaluate and determine where you can make a difference. You will need to find out areas that need improvement, break them down, and prioritize them. 2. Survey the technology. There are so many technological tools that might suit your requirements. Filter them down to the one that is best for you and supports a positive business case. If you can't find one, stop and save yourself the expensive task. You can always seek assistance in any of these steps. 3. Plan the project. Make a time-bound plan with clear deliverables so that the project can be evaluated at the end. 4. Test, test, test. We cannot put enough emphasis on testing. Digital transformation requires severe testing to make sure you have the right solution in place before affecting your business. 5. Go live. If the testing goes successful, you'll need to roll out the new work system and make sure everyone is now complying with the change right away. 6. Evaluate success. At the end, when all that could be done is done, you need to crunch the numbers and see how much impact the transformation delivered to your business. Because if it hasn't provided enough to be better than your competitors, then you'll need to start all over again. But don't stress just yet. AI Transitioning can do all this for you. With a team full of skilled professionals and amazing tools such as Optimus Hive, we can do all the mentioned steps and digitally automize your business in no time. For more information, please visit aitransitioning.com.